Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a genuinely descending pattern, or so they truly thought. As far as Algo support floor, it essentially is currently 29 cents, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Algo fall 9.68% in 7 days, which really is genuinely huge. Algorand explicitly is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 08 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and basically explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some things, facts, what by and large, is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. In a real sense, is Algo an especially generally excellent speculation, or so they especially thought. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of huge manner. Yet prior to jumping sort of certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations in a very extremely significant manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume sort of especially remains at $20,577,638,440 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%, which fundamentally is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows an especially descending pattern in a by and large kind of huge manner in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span in a kind of enormous manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which explicitly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions in every practical sense sort of show that the market basically in a real sense is going in a truly descending heading for in every way that really matters, present moment, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA10 basically shows a very descending pattern, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand backing and obstruction backing in opposition in a real sense certainly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially become essentially in every practical sense all the more fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Algorand generally is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 08 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and certainly sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What truly is transient cost expectation for Algorand, all things considered? Is Algo a by and large wise speculation, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors most certainly become move actually especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition, fundamentally, are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which essentially is genuinely huge. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The very extremely current Algorand cost for the most part is 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $26,970,695 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that right now, an especially broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. or so they truly thought. At present, Algo in every way that really matters is somewhere near 1.47% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $847,070,659 United States dollars in an essentially large manner. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 08 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction, sort of, are significant specialized pointers used to recognize quite key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving pretty exceptionally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including entirely of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to really generally break down the future development of the Algorand. Fundamentally, especially further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. The Algorand entirely has in every way that really matters, break all its basically especially upholds levels and things in a real sense, are not looking excellent for the crypto market, which essentially is very critical. Right now, generally bears really are in charge of the market, and effectively in a real sense, take Algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents in an essentially significant manner, while Algo's Williams %R marker by and large fundamentally is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of fundamentally signal explicitly is conceivable at this reach, showing how support for the most part is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly more especially dynamic, and actually for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Algorand most certainly is buy and buy esteemed at 11 cents 08 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly truly is pretty transient cost expectation for Algorand, quite all plans and designs as Algo and in every way that really matters, wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking incredibly. The Algo United States dollar moving exceptionally normal union and disparity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is showing a genuinely present moment, especially fundamentally sell in every way that really matters. Signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath especially signal line which in a real sense implies in a real sense bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BN